Most people have a tool that they wish existed, something that would save them hours or make their business run cleaner. But building it always just felt out of reach. But it doesn't have to be that way anymore, because behind this channel, there's a full team. There's editors, there's project managers, there's writers, and also collaborations with top brands. And like most teams, we had a tool for everything. Trello for tasks, Monday for projects, a couple of AI tools here and there, and LastPass for passwords. Each one worked pretty fine, but we were jumping between 5 different places just to get through the day. So that's when I sat back and I thought about this, and I went, let's build our own app. One system made for exactly how our team operates. A project board to track every video from the idea to published. A content calendar, a script database, and a shared password vault. All of it in one place. All built by just describing what we needed. And honestly, after testing pretty much every vibe coding tool out there, Replit is the one that I just keep on coming back to. Especially now with Agent 4, it's just on another level for building something like this. Now, the link is down in the description below, and they've got a free trial going if you want to build your own. But right now, let's get into the video. Okay, so now I'm in Replit, and the first thing I am going to be selecting plan mode, not build mode. Very important. Plan mode is the best way to start your build from scratch. The problem that I'm going to be solving with this first module is it's pretty simple. I have videos at every stage. Now, some are just ideas, some are being scripted, some are being edited, and some are ready to publish. And I have no visual way to actually see all of them at once, because I want to be able to lay out everything perfectly. All of it is literally just in my head, and that is something that now needs to change. So here's the prompt that I'm going to be dropping in. Make sure to think through all the things that you want. You can just brain dump them here. Plan mode actually makes sense of all of the brain dump. Then I'm going to be hitting send, and plan mode is now mapping out the architecture, the front end, the back end, the database structure before anything gets built. Now, I can see that it's laying out the column structure, the card components, the drag and drop logic, and everything looks good. So I'm going to approve it. And now the build actually starts. Now watch the task board. There's parallel agents running simultaneously, one on the front end, one on the back end, one setting up the database. And it's not building one piece at a time. It's running like a development team. Now the build is done, and I'm going to be using fast mode real quick to tweak the color scheme. Fast mode basically just uses a lighter model. It's perfect for those small changes, ones like this. It's way cheaper than running the full model for a one-line adjustment. And the coolest thing is it gets done in seconds. Now, let me open up the app in a new browser, not the preview window, always the actual tab, and I'll explain why in the mistake section. So here is the project board. There's 7 columns. There's idea, scripting, recording, editing, thumbnail, scheduled, and published. Now, there's a clean dock interface, and I can see exactly where every video sits. I'm adding a new card in right now. I'm going to drag and drop, and it moves between the columns instantly. I can click into any card, and I can add in notes. I can add in a due date and even some context. Everything that I need to track a video from the idea to published. Now, this alone would have saved me so many missed deadlines. Now, let's get on to building phase 2. So this one is the same project, but it's a new module. So I am going to stay in the same Replit project, and then I'm going to add in the next prompt. And the problem over here is that I never know at a glance what's going up this week, next week, what's overdue, what's coming up. I'm always just doing the mental math, trying to figure out my publishing schedule. A content calendar on the other end is going to fix all of that for me. So I'll just give my idea to plan mode, and it will then think it through, and then I simply just approve it, and then now the build starts, and in just a few minutes it's done. Now let me show you this quick. So this is the content calendar view. A full month on screen. I can see every video I have scheduled, every brand deadline, every upload date. all of it is in one place. So I can simply just click on any date, and then a panel slides in showing me exactly what's happening on that day. And because it's connected to the project board, if I move a video's publish date on the board, it updates here automatically. Everything stays in sync. So that's 2 modules down. Now there's just 2 more to go. Now on phase 3, this one is personal. I have scripts everywhere. Google Docs, Notion pages, random notes that I just made everywhere. And finding a specific script from 3 weeks ago on Monday morning, it takes me much longer than it should. Now, I need one place where every script lives, and it's organized by the week. Now, I'll paste in my prompt, and then I'll approve the plan, and here's the script database. Clean list on the left, every script I've added sorted by week, search bar at the top. I can filter by status, draft, final, recorded. Now, here's something worth calling out, okay? Do you see this generate outline button right here? That's powered by Claude. It's built directly into the app through Replit's native Anthropic integration. So there's no API key, no external setup, no separate account. Replit has Claude built in, and it draws from your Replit credits. I just described what I wanted in the prompt, and it connected everything automatically. So I'm going to hit generate outline. And then Claude reads the script title and the notes, and then it returns a full structured outline in just a few seconds. And it's all right inside my own app. Then I'm just going to click into any script, and it opens in a full editor right now. I can write directly in the app, I can make changes, I can save, and there's no more hunting through Google Drive. Everything now is in one place. It's organized exactly how I would think about it. Now that's 3 modules down, and now we are on our last one. So for the 4th module, this is the module that used to cost us actual money every month. We were paying for LastPass just so that the whole team could access shared logins, social tools, client accounts, basically all of it. So I asked Replit to build us our own shared vault instead, and now we can easily store usernames, passwords, we can store them per tool, and all of this is just hidden behind dots until you click to reveal them. It's accessible to the whole team with no monthly subscription on top. And here it is, a clean list of every tool we use, organized by platform. Whoever's working on what, they are now never stuck waiting for someone to send them a password on Slack. Now, before I publish, I want to use Replit's design canvas on the overall app, right here in the interface. So I'm generating 3 visual directions: dark and minimal, light and editorial, and bold with strong typography. Now all of it is coming in at once on an infinite canvas. So I can simply just click into any element, and then I can annotate directly. I can change the font, I can say tighten the space, I can move the nav higher, I can make small adjustments here and there, and then simply just click apply to app. And then Replit materializes that design into the actual build. Now, let me click publish, and there we go. It's basically just 1 click and 30 seconds, and then it's done. And this is live at my own URL. And that's it. So now, let me show you the full thing together, okay? There's top navigation, there's 4 tabs, the project board, the content calendar, the script database, the password vault. This is my entire creative business operating system, built in one afternoon. No developer, no subscription to 4 different tools, and no code. And the best part about all of this is that I own it. It runs on my URL. I control what it does, and if I want to add something new, then all I do is I just describe it, and then Replit builds it for me. Now, before you go, let me show you some tips that will help you in building right now. So the first thing is plan mode. Every single time I went straight to building, I just wasted my credits and I got such bad results. Always describe the problem first, not the features, the problem. Let plan mode actually think through the architecture before the agent starts writing any of the code. Now, the second tip is always testing in a Replit preview window. That's not something to do. The preview window lies to you, okay? Let's just be open about that. always open your app in a new browser tab, and that's what your users actually see. I spent real credits fixing a bug that didn't even exist. It was only in the preview. Now, the third thing is to always save your Replit MD file. Replit's agent has a memory limit. After every major feature, ask it to document what it built and in the Replit MD. It takes about 10 seconds, but it's going to save you hours of the agent repeating work or breaking things that it already fixed. And now the last tip is when Replit finishes a big feature and it asks for feedback, don't cancel out. That triggers the architect model to review the code from a higher level and catch bugs the build agent missed. Every time I've let it run, it finds something. So do not skip it. So here's what we built today. One app, 4 modules, a project board, a content calendar, a script database, and a password vault. All inside the Zenho Media app, built phase by phase in Replit with no code and no developer. Now here's what I want you to take away from all of this. Not just this app, but the actual process. You have problems in your business right now that a custom tool like this could fix. Problems that you've been living with because building just felt so out of reach. Well, right now, it's not out of reach anymore. The link to Replit is down in the description below, and check it out and just start building what your business actually needs today. Every prompt that I use today, all the templates, all the exact workflows, all of it is inside our free school community. That link is also in the description below. Go and grab them right now and go and check out what's going on in the community. I guarantee you, you are going to love it. Now, if this helped you, then hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those bell notifications so that you never miss another upload. Check out some of the other videos on the channel as well. And I just want to say, it's been a whole lot of fun, and I will catch you on the next one.